Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm coming at you from the Book Fair. So this week is Book Fair, and you will come to the Book Fair through your advisory classes. So all advisory teachers have a certain time and day that they're scheduled to come. If your class comes and you find something that you want, maybe you didn't bring money that day, then you can ask one of your teachers if you can come back on Friday with a pass. So we don't want anybody to have to miss their bus or anything like that. So we're going to make sure that you have several times that you can come throughout the day and throughout the week. So, like I said, then everybody will have access to the book fair through your advisory class. So since it is Monday's Marvelous Book Talk, I wanted to share a couple of things with you that I found at the book fair. So we have several books that are $5 or less. We have Lone Star books, so this one, Ground Zero. We also have the Amari Lone Star book. And then we have fun books. So I picked this one to share with you called My Otter Half. So I picked this one because who doesn't love otters and dogs? So in this one, Oliver is the otter and Franklin is the dog. And Otter's trying to prove to people that he's not a mama's boy. And Franklin is full of energy and constantly getting in trouble. So then an oil spill happens and it separates the two of them from their families. And so together they set out in the wilderness to try to find their family, and they only have each other to rely on. So it's kind of like a Milo and Otis story if you've read that book or you like that movie. So just something fun, and it involves two very cute animals. So this is also at our book fair as well. So I look forward to seeing you soon, and this is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.